All right, got a 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe key fob here. This is how you open it to replace your battery, okay? So if you look at the bottom here, there is a slit in the bottom of the remote. Just get a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife, put it in here, and just give it a twist, okay? And that will crack it open. We're gonna go around here and just gently open the remote up, okay? Just come off just like that, and that exposes the battery there. There's a little opening here where you're going to need the flathead screwdriver, where you're going to go ahead and just pry this guy out. There's another one right here. These guys are in there really tight, so just be patient with it and be careful with it. Okay, you see how that popped right out like that. Show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR 2450 with a positive sign out towards us, and you get your new one, you stick it in here like this. Just lock it in here like that. If you need a new battery, I'm gonna have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get the right size battery. Real quick, real easy. Get your back half of the remote, start at the top, work your way down, and just push it all together till it clicks and pops, and you are all done.